to leave. There is love in my heart that will help me to start my journey to within. With faith I must begin. Everybody wants, every one of us needs. I got wings on my back and I'm ready to leave. Part of my soul wants to race through the skies to get what I want, to reach what I need. Part of my soul wants to race through the skies to get what I want, to reach what I need. On the top of the mountain, my troubles so small, I reach so high to embrace it all. On the top of the mountain, my troubles so small, I reach so high to embrace it all. Embrace it all. Everybody wants, every one of us needs. I got wings on my back and I'm ready to leave. There is love in my heart that will help me to start my journey to within. to get what I want, to reach what I need. On the top of the mountain, my troubles so small, I reach so high to embrace it all. On the top of the mountain, my troubles so small, I reach so high to embrace it all. Embrace it all. Everybody wants, every one of us needs. I got wings on my back, and I'm ready to leave. There is love in my heart that will help me to start my journey to within.
Welcome to the session, evening session. Before we start, can you please confirm if you can hear us? Good evening, Surekha. Good evening, Tapasya. Kuldeep ji. Pawan ji, good evening. Preeti. Kiran. Just wanted to confirm if you can hear us and then we can start. Preeti is saying, what's dosto? Dosto means friends, Preeti. Karthik, your hair looks cool. All clear, Mitaji. Raj has just confirmed that you can see us and also can hear us. Very good. Welcome to the evening session. Let me just start this. Yes. Okay. You can hear us as well. Yes. And see us as well. Let me just little bit. Alright, now let's start. Thank you so much for joining the evening session. I welcome you. You are the bravest souls because not everyone, this is not cup of everyone's tea, not tea of everyone's cup. Sorry, see, I'm getting excited already. Always happy to be back with you guys, and today we got some special feedbacks from yesterday's session. That yesterday we did some everyday cleansing, karma cleansing meditation, and I got feedback from people that they really loved it. The biggest feedback came from Renuka, my wife here sitting with me. She said that she had a body pain, back pain from long time, and when she was doing the meditation yesterday and when she was visualizing that everything is going out of her body, and after when we finished the session, and this back pain of hers was from long time, so she came to me and said, my top back pain has completely gone, which was there from long time, and my body feels very light. I don't know how many of you had that kind of experience, but I know that happens. So that's why today's session is very important session, because I sent a message also, because I am going to further tell you or further show you basically how does that happens. So as you know that when we are living, from the day we are born, we are acquiring a lot of impurities. So with good thing we also learn bad things, such as one of the common enemy of our well-being is fear, and unfortunately we have been subject to fear from childhood. Like if we are not doing anything, then parents will say, do this or do that, or I will do that, or I will do this. So that fear is inbuilt into our DNA. What happens then when we grow, we lose confidence. There is no self-confidence, no nothing. We get afraid of small thing. If there is any slight up and down in our life, we get a lot of tension in our head and mind. So that fear comes in our mind and body. So now this fear is the root cause of all kind of problems. So how do we get rid of that solid fear which is there from childhood? Then also we acquire a lot of negativities, hatred. Also we acquire a lot of hurt along the way. So these are some permanent damage which is inside our body with our all experiences, and we create knots inside our body. Knot means I am not going that way, or I am not going to do this, means I am going to look at the world through same glasses. If somebody has hurted you, you will say, oh, whole world is like this, something like that. So these knots create energy, these knots doesn't help when the energy can't flow. And when energy can't flow, what will happen is the stiffness in the body, and then through the mental and energy dysfunction comes the physical problems. Now to get rid of those physical problems like stiffness, all other problems. We have to make sure our energy body is clear, and the energy is flowing nicely, and we are feeling what you call light in the sense. Now, how do we do that? Now, I'm not only talking about the permanent damage which has been done from childhood we are not responsible for that, what we were subject to in our childhood, like fear, or even a physical abuse, or all kind of thing which everyone has to go through in their own life. Now, how do we get rid of this? There are two ways one can do this. One is trying to take one quality out from ourselves by working on it. For example, if I am a very negative person, what I will do, so let's suppose I have 5-6 bad qualities. Let's suppose I talk much, I am very negative, I don't trust people, I am very stingy, I have very selfishness, ignorance, all kind of these qualities suppose I have in me. Now, one way is to acknowledge each dysfunction and deal with them one by one. So first, suppose I am a negative person, then first it takes long time to acknowledge I am a negative person. Once you acknowledge, then you try to find out what is the beautiful way of getting positive. Then someone will say, okay, learn affirmation, take some positive motivational courses, or do this or do that. So you will start doing that. So that one particular thing will be acknowledged. Now you are working on one by one, but this is going to take long time. It is going to take so long time to work, and it's almost impossible to work on ourselves working on each of those qualities. By the time you will finish with this quality, there will be no life lived left for living. So what is the other best and easiest way to do? So for that, I have brought you today a small experiment which will show you what is the best way to do it and how we can easily get rid of it. So I hope you are all ready. So sit back, relax, next 1 minute. Just look at this experiment, and I will explain you once the experiment is shown to you. Alright. So have closer look at the screen. The experiment and the video starts now. Welcome back. I think that the video is self-explanatory, and I don't have to explain it. But my son sitting here, I just asked him when he was saying, I want to explain the video. I said, okay, what did you understand? So let's see what Karthik has to say about that video.
So the black, when the black part was there, it was the negativity, scaredness, and the other fears you had. But when the water started to become clean, when the tap water started, it was presenting you meditating, and when it became clean, it was like you are fresh, like. So that's
Very close, very close. Now, as we have seen, as I explained, that from childhood we acquire all these issues with us, and now the challenge is whether you take each one out by working on them whole life, or you put now this experience of ours has become muddy in life. Now this body and mind and emotional body, they have acquired certain dysfunction. Now do we work on them one by one and spend entire time and life doing that? What is the easiest way? So I found the easiest way, that I take this my muddy water nearest where the pure stream is flowing. That stream can be anything, not only Metta Wellness or meditation. So sometimes I will take this part of my life in a temple. Sometimes I will take my pot of this muddy part of water near nature. Sometimes I will take this muddy pot of water to my Gurujis. Sometimes I will take this muddy pot of water wherever I feel that this is the pure stream. And once you put your pot, once you found the spot where this pure stream is coming, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is to present yourself in there, in that position. That's all you have to do. Rest, everything will be taken care. So you don't do anything, no effort is required. The only effort is required is take yourself, present yourself where this pure stream is happening. Whether it's in church, whether it's in temple, whether it's in Metta Wellness, wherever you find this pure stream, take your pot there and just put that pot there, let the pure stream go in you. I found that in meditation, that I don't have to do anything. I sit my eyes with closed, cosmic energy start to flow, dissolving every deformity, every dysfunction. So that doesn't mean that we don't have anything, but now it is under our watch. If the anger comes in, I know anger is coming inside me. I can then decide how much anger I should do or how much I should not do. Everything comes, but now it's under my watch. I'm no more bounded to unconscious reaction of everything and then regret on this reaction. So the beauty of this is meditation and cosmic flow is that you don't work on one quality. You just take the whole part and sit in a presence and detoxify you. At the end of every day, if we do this cleansing meditation, end of every day, for 10 minutes only, we are going to do that today again, because many people wanted to learn and do that every day because they really felt it's very good. They didn't want it. So because we are acquiring all these impurities every day, our 4-5 senses, they are working without our permission. So from the time I start from home to office, from office to home, my mind, my eyes, my ears, my nose are all acquiring billions and billions of signals, storing them, interpreting them, and that's how they are working inside me. So when I come to home, to my family, it is usually better as soon as you come back, you do that, so that then you can give a beautiful time to your family, that 4 hours before you go to bed, or you can do while sleeping. So my advice will be, as soon as you come out after spending whole day out, you go wash yourself, get clean, and the first thing you do, even before talking to family member, because there's so much going on, maybe have a tea, get fresh, sit in your bedroom and do this 10-minute cleansing. So all this muddy water, we want to make it pure water before even we talk to our family. Otherwise, all that negativity every day we collect is going to get transferred on your family members, and they'll keep transferring to each other, and it will keep spreading into community. So that is the importance of this. So thank you very much for listening. Let's start with our meditation and Kriya, Pranayam, and last 20 minutes we are going to do the cleansing meditation. Alright. So those who have first time joined, there is a simple rules that not to create any resistance to any disturbance, because you are at home, so you might get a lot of disturbance, and whatever we do, give 100%. One of the things we learn here is to be present, because our mind always goes into future or past, which is a non-physical dimension. It's illusionary places, and 99% of the whole day's time we are in the illusion, reality happening in present, but we are always in the darkness or the unconsciousness of thinking going on, the curtain of thinking on eyes. So even though my eyes are open, but I can't see because thinking going on, the pictures are going on. I can't hear because different picture is going on, and that's an illusionary place, and whole day I am there. Only few seconds I am in present. So in that present only life is happening. So we learn to live in present as long as possible by creating gaps between thoughts. So there is a string of thought going on. All our efforts are to create a blank spot between two thoughts. So first thought come, blank spot. So slowly we are increasing the blank space between two thoughts. So one thought gone. First we will recognize one small gap, then another thought. So all we are doing, we are increasing the gap between two thoughts. The more the gap, the less the thought. Alright. So how do we do that? By creating mindfulness in our action while doing Kriya. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. With next long deep breath in, chant Om 3 times. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Keep your eyes closed, back straight. Take long and deep breath in. Now, while you are doing body movement, make sure that you feel all the movement, turning your neck towards left. Put your right palm onto your right cheek and press your right cheek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly. Feel the touch. Feel the movement of hand, feel the movement of neck. Going there, putting on left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly going down. Now front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly going down. Again, we'll do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly, slowly going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now both on the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back of the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feel the movement, feel the touch of body, feel the touch of hand, feel the touch of cloth, feel the touch of your mat. Now with the neck, Vishuddhi Chakra, take your neck to down to chin, going up. Coming down, again going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down. Now both the hands on your knee, 360 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now for Anahata Chakra, we'll do this side. Push yourself like this. Feel the stretch on your rib cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What's a rib cage?
Alright, it's a body part.
Okay.
Okay. Now going to your knee, coming back, then going to center, coming back, then going to right, coming back, again going down, coming back, again going down, coming back, going down, coming back, going down,
Now circle.
coming back, in the center. This is for Manipurka Chakra, which is below Anahata Chakra. The third one from the bottom. Now we will do complete circle from left, center, right, going back, again left, center, right, going back as much as possible. Hold knees. Feel the stretch. Now opposite. Feel the stretch. Very good. Open your left leg for Swadhisthana Chakra. Put on right.
Isn't this
1,
okay?
2,
Pressing one.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good.
This also stretches your arm.
Yes. We'll do Shishupalasana, rocking baby pose. One. लल्ला लल्ला लोरी दूध की कटोरी दूध में बताशा कार्तिक करे
What the
तमाशा
heck? What the heck?
लल्ला लल्ला लोरी दूध की कटोरी दूध में बताशा कार्तिक करे तमाशा. Alright. Opposite leg. You didn't kiss the baby. See? Alright. Opposite leg. Kiss your knee. Sorry, kiss your toes. It's very challenging when Karthik is here. He takes all my attention. Now, sit here in the front. We'll do butterfly pose. Titli Asana. Very important for our back and for the foundation. Go up, down, 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 down, up, down. Very good. Now sit in Vajra.
Wait,
Sit
we
in
didn't
Ardha
do the
Padmasana.
first one.
It's all right. All right. Keep your eyes closed, back straight. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take a long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Keep both the hands beside your shoulder. Breathe in. breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Mouth closed, only with the nose. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, out, in, out, in, out, out, in, out, in, out. Relax. Put your palm onto your lap, open to sky, and take your attention onto your palm. Anchor your mind into present moment by putting attention onto your palm. Feeling the tingling sensation on the palm. One more time.
I heard the blood flow.
One more time. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Again become aware of the sensation onto your palm. There are two kind of eyes. One is the physical eyes which looks outward. Then there is a wisdom eye inside us which can look inside without opening the external eyes. We can see lot more with the internal wisdom eyes. You can take your eyes attention to your palm and you can see the sensation. You can feel them. Some things you can visualize, some things you can just see by feeling it. Experience it. Hold attention on the palm. One more last time. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Try to listen to the silence. Usually you listen to sound. Today try to listen to silence. Attention taking on to ear. The sound of silence is Anhatanad. And if you carefully take your attention to the silence, you can hear that going on. It's called unstruck sound, cosmic sound, Anhatanad. Become aware of the silence. Become aware of the gaps between my words. Become aware between the gaps of two different sounds. We usually concentrate everything on the words. From today onwards, try to find the gaps between the words. Kapal Bharti, only exhale. Relax. 30 times only exhale. Don't inhale. Start again. Relax. Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. Put right thumb onto your right nostril. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Close the thumb and exhale through opposite nostril. Take long and deep breath in. Again, exhale. Take long and deep breath in. Again, exhale. Take long and deep breath in. 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 Exhale. Relax. If possible, dim the lights. Sit in a relaxed position. Sit in a relaxed position. If you want to sit on chair, you can sit on chair. If you want to sit on couch, you can sit on couch. But once you are in a comfortable position, try to maintain that position. Do not lie down. Keep your back straight. Left hand on the floor, right hand on the chest. Become aware of the heart beating. Try to feel your heart beating. Left hand on the floor. Feel the energy on left hand. Feel the energy passing through left hand to the right hand and to the heart. Become aware of the energy flow happening from the left hand going upwards. Feel the touch of your left palm onto the floor, and through the touch feel the energy flowing upwards towards your right hand through the chest and going from the palm to your heart. Feel the warmth of your heart. Become aware of the beating of your heart. Let the energy flow unrestricted. You just become observer. Just take your attention from left palm upwards to the shoulder, to the opposite shoulder, traveling down on right hand, on right palm, onto your heart. Let go of all the worries. Let go of all the stress. Let go of all the mistakes. Let go of all the hurt. Keep gentle smile on the face and just become aware of the energy flow from the floor to your heart. Feeling your body with the earthly consciousness. So that all the accumulated negativities, fear, anxiety, uncertainty prepares to leave you. Feel your body getting fully charged with this new energy. Now keep your both the palm onto the lap. Eyes closed, back straight. Take your attention to back of your head. Become aware of sensation on the back of your head. Take attention to your upper back. Become aware of your upper back. Feel the touch of your clothes onto your upper back. Going down, lower back. Feel the touch of your lower back onto your clothes. Scan your lower back for any kind of feeling. From right to left, left to right, going upwards towards the upper back. Scan entire lower back towards upper back for any kind of sensation, going up to the neck, towards the head. Now visualize the color blue from top of your head, from the back side, your back, upper back, lower back. Visualize that all the stress, all the thoughts, all the unnecessary data which you acquired whole day is flying out in the forms of waves, blue waves, some are short waves, some are long waves. Detox your mind and body from all the unwanted accumulated information and visualize your whole body and mind like a full bottle with all this data, and the bottle is getting emptier and emptier while the fumes, blue fumes goes out of your body from back of your head, from the top of your back, lower back. Visualize these fumes are going out, this negative energy is going out. By emptying that full bottle, and your body is becoming lighter and lighter. Visualize all the unnecessary thoughts flying away from your head, from your neck, all the stiffness flying away from your back, all the anxieties, depression, fear, everything getting out of your body in the form of blue fumes. Visualize your body getting cleansed. You are becoming empty and empty. All the unconscious karmas which have happened the whole day is going out, so you are no more subjected to the fruits of those karmas. Visualize from your top of your head, from the top of your back, the fumes, the stiffness, the anxiety, the negativity, all the hurt, all going out, making you pure like a pure water, uncolored, easygoing, full of life. Let all collected data fly from your head, from your body. Now take your attention to your face, take your attention to your chest, stomach, both the hands, and visualize these blue fumes traveling backwards and getting out of your back. From your face, it is going out from back of your head, from your neck going out from back, from your chest and stomach, again going back, long queues of fumes blue fumes, emptying you of all the stress, worries, hurt, and filling you with a divine pure water. Like a baby when they come on earth. Whatever you will think will start happening. That's the power of thinking. But because we are unconscious, we have no control on our thinking. That's why we keep manifesting wrong things. The whole attention from face, neck, stomach, chest, the fumes are getting out from the back of your body, from back of your head. Visualize that all the negativity, all the stiffness, all the hurt from today and from the past is leaving you. All the toxicity, all the thoughts about toxic people, events, all are going out, making your body crystal clear water, pure water. Feel the lightness. Keep visualizing. Empty yourself of all the worries. Empty yourself of all the stress. Empty yourself of all the stiffness. Empty yourself of all the hurt. Forgive everyone. Let go of everyone. From back of your head, watch all the memories, hurtful memories washing away, going away. All the peoples are dilating into the fumes and getting out of your head, never to come back, never to trouble you. All their faces are moving out of your head, from the back of your head. From Vishuddhi Chakra, Anahata Chakra, Agna Chakra. All these bad memories, bad experiences flying out. The people are flying out. Their faces are flying out. Permanently freeing us from the bondage of the every incident happened in our life. Just feel getting relaxed, getting empty, getting pure water. Slowly, slowly, take long and deep breathing. Slowly, slowly. Take long and deep breathing. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Whenever you feel complete, whenever you feel pure, whenever you feel beautiful like a stream of water, you may open your eyes. Whenever you are ready, no hurry. Hope you enjoyed today's session. Again, once more, thank you so much for joining. I'm hoping that next month, middle of next month, we'll start our face-to-face session in park, and following month in the Scout Hall. Till then, we'll be doing the online session. Very soon we are dissolving all the WhatsApp group. There are 1,000 people in the WhatsApp group, but unfortunately most of them taken everything for granted. There are 10,000 people on Facebook. So we are going to make it bit structured so that they find time for doing this, because our effort was to bring easily accessible, but when things becomes easy, people take it for granted, and then I can see that what they miss on. So we are going to make it big structure. We are bringing the Mind Body Spirit program. For every new registration now there will be program, a foundation course they will have to do for 5 days to enter into our daily sessions. This will not be applicable for the people who have done sessions with me online. All the WhatsApp group will be deleted. All the registration, bookings, everything will be done online on website, and all the information will be given on Facebook pages, so that people understand the value of it. Understand that it is not something we are doing for fun. It's not an entertainment program. These are life-changing programs what we bring. We'll do bhajan now. Make sure you all are subscribed to the website www.mitawellness.com so that you get all the information. Make sure you like the page so that whenever the session starts, you can get informed. And even I will recommend that when the face-to-face starts, you can also do the Mind Body Spirit program, because what I have decided now, that even we have small group of people, it's okay. I'm going to personally take their 5 days one-to-one Mind Body Spirit program at my home before they can enter into our big halls and before they can join our big session. So at least their foundation is correct. So they just don't come for 2-3 sessions and then disappear. They understand what is it is in a depth. Although it will be a lot of work for us, but I am ready to do that as long as it brings positive change in community. Thank you very much for joining. If you are online, let me know how you felt in today's session. And we are going to have a bhajan. And once the bhajan finish, we will finish the session. But please do let me know about today's experience and say hello. If not possible, just say hello so I can respond you back. And we'll do bhajan, and after bhajan we'll finish the session.
न सबूत है न दलील है, न सबूत है न दलील है, मेरे साथ रब जलील है, मेरे साथ रब जलील है। न सबूत है न दलील है, न सबूत है न दलील है, मेरे साथ रब जलील है। रहमत कहते हैं कृपा, ग्रेस, और एहतियात का मतलब है प्रिपरेशन, केयर, प्रिकॉशन। तेरी रहमतों में कमी नहीं, तेरी रहमतों में कमी नहीं, तेरी रहमतों में कमी नहीं, मेरी एहतियात में ढील है, मेरी एहतियात में ढील है, न सबूत है न दलील है। मुझे कौन तुझसे अलग करे, मुझे कौन तुझसे अलग करे, मुझे कौन तुझसे अलग करे, मैं अटूट प्यास तू झील है, मैं टूट प्यास तू झील है, न सबूत है न दलील है। मुख्तसर कहते हैं शॉर्ट, छोटा सा, और तवील का मतलब है इलैबोरेट, व्यापक। तेरा नाम कितना है मुख्तसर, तेरा नाम, तेरा नाम कितना है मुख्तसर, तेरा नाम कितना है मुख्तसर, तेरा जिक्र कितना तवील है, तेरा जिक्र कितना तवील है, न सबूत है न दलील है, मेरे साथ रब जलील है, मैं अटूट प्यास तू झील है, तेरा जिक्र कितना तवील।
Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you tomorrow.